Drop is the easiest way to transfer a file. Simply drag a file or folder from the host machine to the guest machine, and vice versa. Another option is to use the file transfer tool. Click Send File. Navigate to a file and click Open to begin the transfer. When complete, you'll see the target directory open on the remote machine. I can also transfer an entire directory. To do this, click Send Folder. Browse your folder and click OK. When complete, you'll see the target directory open on the remote machine. To change the default file transfer folder, click Change Folder and choose a different directory. To open the default directory, click Open Folder. Finally, if you're in a Windows-to-Windows session, you can copy and paste a file or folder onto the remote machine.